Hello. My name is Super Static Pro and today I am giving an update video regarding my Sonic models. In this video I will go over what I've added to the models and how you'll be able to use it. Let us begin. For starters, I've overhauled the bone structure for Sonic, Supersonic, and Shadow. What this means is you can now copy a pose or animation from one model to the other and vice versa. You can also just copy part of a pose, instead of the entire pose, like how I am here with Supersonic's hair. Very useful stuff. Do note, because of the new bone structure, any saved sessions you have of the models before this update will be corrupted. I am sorry for any setbacks this will cause. Now for Sonic's new mouth flexes. The new mouth flexes are also on Shadow and Silver's model. I've added some new grin flexes. I like to use Grin 2 Alt alongside one of the lip raise flexes. It makes a nice pose. I've also added optional fangs for Sonic. It can be difficult to see depending on the lighting and angle. This flex called mouth_big_ inside might seem like it does nothing, when in reality it expands the inside of the character's mouth. This is to help when moving the mouth's positions. Sometimes I like to pull down the under eyes and cheekbones of the model to make the eyes look bigger. The problem is the eyes cut off at a certain point. That's where this new eyes expand flex comes in. This is one of my favorite flexes. Also thanks to a user named UsagiDude, Sonic's quills are now fixed. Before this, the middle quill was uneven, and clipped with the upper middle quills above it. But not anymore, thanks to UsagiDude and another user, named Raggy, for introducing us both. Because of the new head, I made new flexes for the eyebrows. I even added a flex to shrink the center brow. It's useful for certain expressions. You'll also see two alternate versions of one of the Angry Brows flexes. This alt version is a superior version of the Angry Brows. One last flex to highlight is the one for the eyelids. This expands the eyelids. It's a companion flex to the eye expand flex. That is all I have to share. I do hope you enjoy what this update has to offer. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments and I will try to answer them as best as I can. Have a nice day.